Okay, CL 5-112, we have to copy each shape onto our own paper, find its area and perimeter as well. Okay, so I have this copied down. You guys need to write in your notebook. Let's go ahead and do area for each one and then perimeter for each one. Okay, so for A, this hopefully we recall this is a trapezoid. It has one set of parallel sides. The other sides are not parallel, so it is a trapezoid. So area of a trapezoid is going to be, if we recall, half of the top side, we'll say it's A, plus the bottom side, we'll say it's B, and then times the height of the trapezoid, which is 5. Oops, sorry, we'll just say H for height for now. Now we'll go ahead and substitute the values in. Okay, the area is going to equal half, that doesn't change. A is the top side, 4. B is the bottom side, 15 and 1400ths, times H is the height, which is 5. Okay, let's see. This is going to be half times 4 plus 15 and 1400ths is 19 and 1400ths times 5. Half of 19 and 1400ths, let's see, half of 19, well, let's go ahead and just divide that out. 2 divided by 19 and 1400ths. 2 could go into 19 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. Of 11. 2 could go into 11 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And we have 14, which is 7. So that's going to be 9 and 5700ths times 5. Let's go ahead and multiply that out. 9 and 5700ths times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 3 is 28. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 is 47. Move the decimal over 2 place values. So we have 47 and 85 hundredths square inches is the area. And hopefully remember we're not done because we still have to find the perimeter. The perimeter I'll do in a different color. Perimeter, we just add the sides, so we have 15 and 1400ths plus 8 plus 7 plus 4. Okay, there's no portions except for the 1400ths. 15 plus, let's actually see, 15 plus 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30, plus 4 is 34. So this is going to be 34 inches for the perimeter. Okay, hopefully remember why the trapezoid is, this formula works for the trapezoid. If not, you guys need to make sure you guys review that. We have the other video on the areas if you need to review that. Okay, shape B. If you guys notice, shape B is a parallelogram. This side is parallel as well as these sides. Okay, so it's a parallelogram. Okay, and area of parallelogram, hopefully remember, is just the base times the height. Okay, the base is 22 centimeters since the top is 22, the bottom is 22. The height is 17. Remember, the height is not the side length, it's how tall it is. 17. 22 times 17. Let's see, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 22 times 1 is just 22. 4, 7, 3. So the area is 374 square centimeters. For the perimeter, again, we add all the sides. Okay, but don't forget, this is 22, this is 18. We can't forget those two sides as well. So we'll do 22 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18. I know 22 plus 22 is 44. 18 plus 18 is 36. This is 10, 7, 8. So 80 centimeters is the perimeter. And again, parallelogram, hopefully you remember that and how to convert that from to a rectangle. Lastly, we have the area of a triangle. Okay, area of a triangle. Okay, the formula is half times the base times the height. Okay, well, we have half, the base is 16, the height is 6, Okay, and half of 16 is 8 times 6 is just 48. So the area is 48 square millimeters. Okay, the perimeter, again, we add all the sides. So we have 16 plus 12 and 2/10 plus 8. We do not add the height. Keep that in mind. We do not add the height. Okay, as far as portions, we have the 2/10. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 6 is 16. 3 ones is 3. So we have the perimeter is 36 and 2/10 millimeters.